Okay.
What are you doing? What are you gonna do?
Okay. Don't then if you're scared. Don't do it if you're scared.
It ain't no fun unless you're scared.
Hey.
All you gotta do is keep from hitting your face or your back. You got enough room in there to maneuver your body. What's a gainer?
Well, he'll show you in a second. He's been doing it. It's where you look like you're going to a back dive or something.
Huh?
Hurry up, dude.
Shut up, Dion!
Did he land on his face?
No.